Hey, it's about ready to get serious down here at the SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I have officially, for those of you who are doubters, I know this apron was lost for a while because of all the work that was being done down here. But as I spoke before, it has been found and it is on.
It's coming out of retirement.
Yeah. Yeah. And we have some cocktail paraphernalia in front of us today. So
Paraphernalia? I thought that was for drugs.
Well, cocktail tools. How about that?
This cocktail is a drug. You're going to be addicted.
I will say this, if I can. I've had a decent amount of old fashions. I know you have as well. Kent, I think, is probably the king.
Yeah, Kent's the king of old
He's
fashions.
the king.
Yeah. I'm the king of Negronis. Kent's the king of old fashions.
Yes, that is very true. However, he's not here. So I can with 100% confidence say this is the best old fashioned I've ever had.
I would agree with that.
It is absolutely delicious. I wish I could take credit for it. I really do. But I cannot. I cannot. Did you go with us to that place in Arizona too?
I did.
There's a place in Arizona. It's a speakeasy bar. It's called the White Rabbit, and my memory says it's in Gilbert, Arizona, or Chandler, but it's one of the two. I think Gilbert, but it could be Chandler too. But anyways, we did, as we always do, we're just bouncing around trying to find some places to go to, and we'll give it a shot. And it was nice, and it was very nice. And I hate to say it, but since we do so many cocktails things around here, I like things my way. That is, I'm not mean when I go out or anything else. I don't tell people what to do, how to do it, but
No, I get I am also guilty of when I have a cocktail, I always compare it to yours. Because when we come down here, A, it's free, and B, the cocktails are just absolutely incredible down here.
Mainly because you can make them the way you like them.
Right.
As I've spoke many times when I do cocktail videos, as we're gonna pretty soon mix up this incredible old fashioned. If you like it a little bit more of this and a little less of that, that's what you like. So down here we can make it whatever we want, exactly how we like it. So I didn't have a whole lot of expectations. I was going through the old fashioned. Let's start with an old fashioned. That's that should be all right. Do you remember the number that they had for the name? It was a number that they had.
1728?
Yeah, it was something like that. 1897, 1728, whatever it was. It was a 4-digit number. I don't know why. I said, oh, I'll take that. I sipped out of the very first time and I was like, holy mackerel, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
I had 2 of them. I never, ever repeat cocktails when I'm out because I like to try things. It was fantastic. A lovely young lady there. I went up to her. I told her kind of who we were. I said, we're not competition to you. We're not trying to. Is there any way you can give me a recipe for that? Because it's fabulous. And I brought it out here just so we can see it. Kyle, if you want to.
That was about 4 years ago.
Yeah. It's still on the same piece of paper. That's what she wrote it on for me. The exact measurements and everything and how they did it. And I can't be more thankful because when people come down here, Trenton, they say, do you have an old fashioned? I make it. Everybody loves it.
It's the best old fashioned I've ever had in my life.
All right.
Best old fashioned I've ever had in my life.
Enough talking. We'll get started.
I'm bar back today.
No. Okay. Well, you haven't learned very well.
Sorry.
Well, it's been a while. We're out of practice. We go with our cheapest ingredients first.
Yep, that's right.
In case we make a mistake. That's
right.
Yeah.
Man, that's a rookie mistake.
Bitters. Chocolate bitters. 3 dashes of chocolate bitters. I'm going to be mixing this cocktail exactly how I was told to do it. All right? 3 dashes of chocolate bitters. Trenton, smell it. One's a cinnamon syrup. I think that one there is a cinnamon syrup. Cinnamon syrup, just a 1/4 ounce. And you'll see why just here, just a little bit, just a 1/4 ounce.
How do you make your cinnamon syrup?
Good question. You can Google it. It's really very simple. All I do, Trent, is I break up some actual cinnamon sticks. I put it on a saucepan on the stove in the water. Let it simmer down there for maybe 5, no longer than 10 minutes. Take the cinnamon sticks out, measure it out. I usually like all of my syrups semi-rich. And what I mean by that is if there is, let's just say if there's 1 cup of water, then I go in with 1.5 cups of sugar. So after this has been simmering with the cinnamon sticks, then I add the sugar in it, let that dissolve, and you have your cinnamon syrup.
Cool.
It's pretty simple. All right, buddy, let's go with the liqueur next. Now, this is something that's different. I have this here because there's specific instructions and the way they did it. They blended 50-50 blend of Giffard banana liqueur with the Tempus Fugit banana. Now, creme de banane. Whatever.
Yeah, banana liqueur.
But both of these are fabulous. If you only have one, you're going to be fine. What did he say now?
Creme de banane. What the heck? It's called banana.
Look,
I know.
B-A-N-A-N-E. Hey, man, I say them like I see them. Both of them are fantastic, honestly. They blended them, so that's what we're going to do for the video today. I highly suggest, though, finding a good quality banana liqueur. Do that. Do not go with the cheap one.
I will say too, we've tried it with all of the Giffard, all of the Tempus Fugit.
Yes.
We've tried them not blended together, and there's, in my opinion, I think our opinion, it is different.
Yeah.
So if you can only find one, it's still going to be really good, but it really makes a heck of a difference with both of them in there.
Right. 1 full ounce, guys. 1 full ounce of your banana liqueur. All right, another very important component. This confused me. The first time I even ever heard of this bottle was when we were at that particular bar. This is golden falernum. Thank you, Trent. It's not velvet falernum. Velvet falernum is used in a lot of tiki type rum cocktails. It's not that. Kyle, if you want to zoom up on that. Golden falernum. Now, there's none of that around here. I had to order mine online. Imperative that you use golden falernum, right, bud?
Yes. Also, last I checked, if you are in the area, we're in Valparaiso, Indiana. If you are in this area, B Liqueurs in Hobart, Indiana does carry this.
I forgot.
He does carry now because I bought 3 of them.
I forgot.
I bought 3, and I believe last time I was in there, he had them in stock.
Yes, he does. I saw. Half an ounce of golden falernum. And last but not least, of course, your whiskey. We are using, I would expect a good majority of people watching this would kind of assume an Old Forester Bourbon with the banana notes and everything else would go over it. And that's what they use. That's what I'm using. They didn't specify which particular Old Forester, but I'm going with a 100 proof because I want a little bit more proof here. So 2 full ounces, guys. 2 full ounces of your Old Forester 100 proof. An excellent mixer too. Relatively inexpensive. What, $25, Trenton? Probably something like that.
22, 25, area depending.
I mean, really, can't beat it. That, guys.
And it smells good back here.
It already smells good. That, guys, is all the ingredients of the cocktail. I know that's a decent amount of ingredients, but you're gonna have to trust me. Now, as I start to stir this, Trenton's going to have to tell me how many times because he likes to get a big kick out of this.
Go back to the first video we ever did.
Don't do that.
It's how to make an old fashioned. Things have changed a little bit. I'm not in the video. The light, everything's different. He gave it like 800 rotations. The half the video.
I think I said how many? What did I say?
Like 30.
30.
Half the video was the rotating of the.
Let me go with my good buddy Steve the bartender. If you're not watching, if you like cocktails, you need to watch Steve the bartender. Oh, what a quality individual too, as well. Him and I have had some brief conversations over messaging. I'd love to meet him at some point in time. He always says, stir for 15 to 30 seconds or until it's cold. That kind of leaves the door open. You can do whatever you want. But it does. That's pretty much going to do it there, guys. Now, I've got a clear block of ice ready to go. Strainer here.
My mouth is watering right now. I'm excited. I haven't had this in a while.
Some of y'all might not have seen my new glasses yet. You like the ribbed glass there? I like it, Trim.
Those are really nice.
I like
you get those for Amazon.
I did.
I need to order some of those. I like those.
Very simple garnish. I just have a banana chip. That's all it is. And just place it right on top of your ice cube. And that's it. Now, we've named it other things since then, but if we're going to be truthful, it's some 4-digit number that we don't remember.
Yes, some year.
So we've kind of named it the Dapper Rabbit Old Fashioned because it kind of gives homage to the rabbit, the white rabbit. You know, so I don't know. Doesn't matter what the name is, right? Matters what it tastes like.
It matters that it's freaking delicious.
Go ahead, bro.
Oh my God. I mean, come on. I will be honest. I don't usually order old fashions when we go out because this is my favorite one, and I have yet to have one. I'll try a sip of Kent's or anything. We usually order our cocktails and then have each other try them and stuff. I usually don't get old fashions out just because I have yet to find one out that is even remotely close to that good. It is still to this day my absolute favorite old fashioned. Guys, listen. You still get those quality Old Forester bourbon notes. The banana comes through in a delightful, delicious way, and then you get that little hint of cinnamon in there too from the cinnamon syrup. It is completely delightful, honestly. If you try this, only one suggestion I may have for you. If you feel it might be just a tiny bit too sweet for you, which it is not for me, but if you do, don't be afraid to mix it with the 1920 Old Forester. Yep. Give you a little bit more proof point there too. I probably would at this point in my cocktail journey. It was definitely different a while back, but for me, it is a little sweeter. So I would personally mix it with the 1920. That's a good. You know me, I love a little bit of a sweet treat once in a while. This is a little bit on the sweeter side, but the flavor components in this is just miraculous. It really is. So I like it just the way I mixed it. But again, if you're making it at home, you make it for yourself. Feel free to bounce in that 1920 if you want a little bit. I might try that next time. I think it'd be good too. All right, guys. That's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers to you. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this here in just a little while. As always, we ask you to please drink responsibly. See you next time right down here with Trent and me in the good old basement bourbon bar. See you later.